Welcome friends to our class today. We are going to learn on how to construct a common internal tangent between two equal circles. And I have a question to help us see how we are going to construct that particular tangent. Now the question is, construct a common internal tangent between two equal circles of radius 20 millimeters and the distance between the centers of the circle is 80 millimeters. So we're going to draw the circle, and first of all we are given the distance between the two circles, which is 80. So I'm going to draw a line of 80 millimeters. That will give me the distance between the two circles. Now let's proceed and draw the circles. Remember, they are equal and of radius 20 millimeters. So we can pick our pair of compasses, measure 20 millimeters from each point. Please draw the two circles. Let's draw the circles from the last end of our line. Remember, it was the center, and we are going to do the same as well from the other side. So let's draw another circle, So let's proceed now to do the bisection, because that's simply the procedure. Now we are going to at least bisect the distance between the two centers. Let me call this a center 1 of our circle, and center 2. Now we're going to bisect between the two centers. So take a pair of compass, extend it a bit and make an arc. Another arc there. Do the same, stand at point C1, make another arc and another arc down it. So they should meet. So that tells me at least I need to extend this arc. Very good. Now draw that line to join the two points of intersection of the arcs. Draw a line to cut the two centers, or to cut the line at and meet at point, let's call it M. So simply M is the center of the two circles, which is our midpoint. Now number 2, we are going to bisect C1 and M. Bisect C1 and point M. So use your pair of compass, one point, and leg of your compass at point M, make an arc and another arc here. Stand at point C1 without changing dimension, so make an arc and another arc here. So strike that line. So draw that line. The two arcs are meeting. Good. Call it O1. So O1 is simply the center of C1 and M. Center of C1 and point M. We're going to do the same. Bisect point M and C2. Bisect point M and C2. Same procedure. Now stand at point C2. Make an arc. Another arc. Put the leg of your compass at point M. Make another arc there, another one right there. So join it, join the 2 points of intersection of the two arcs as that. So I'm really hoping you're having the same picture as what I have in our drawing. Now let's call this point O2. Remember, we had O1 and now we have O2. We're now going to draw a semicircle. Please observe where I'm putting my pair of compass. We're going to draw a semicircle taking O1 as our center. So O1 is the center. Bring your pair of compass to C1, that is the center of that circle, and make an arc. So let's make an arc. Draw that arc. Actually a semicircle, that is. A semicircle. Now let's draw another semicircle having our O2 as the center. Semicircle having our O2 as the center. So leg of your compass at O2 and we draw a semicircle. You realize that I'm drawing it down. So that is the semicircle. Now we have the two semicircles. Please move to circle with center 1 and observe where the semicircle is touching the circumference, or rather from center 1 to where our semicircle is touching the circumference of that particular circle. We can name it, let's say P. Name it as point P1. So this point is where our tangent would pass through. In the second circle with center C2, realize that our semicircle is touching its circumference at, let me call it point P2. Now we're going to draw a line from P1 to P2, and that would give us the required tangent. So pick your ruler and draw that line. Remember, it should touch point P1 and P2. So that is the required tangent. So we've constructed a tangent of two circles which are of equal radius, and we add a distance in between as 80 millimeters. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.